Hey friends, CloudBart here. It's Monday morning and I'm getting excited for another week of cloud computing. It's scarf weather out here. The leaves are changing. You can see the fall colors behind me. And I'm particularly excited because I'm wrapping up my certified developer course this week. I've been kind of working on that the last few weeks and I'm actually doing the final recording on the exam prep questions this morning. So that'll be a great thing to kind of wrap up. Get those edited this week, push it out to the CPT Nuggets catalog. On top of that, Tuesday, it's a study group, so I hope to see you there. If you've got AWS questions, share them around. Let me know what we could talk about. In particular, I'm going to be presenting a little bit of a topic around compute and workload discussions. So we're going to talk EC2, we'll talk Lambda, ECS, EKS, kind of understanding what some of the characteristics are there and how to make the right selection. Definitely a big topic for all the certs out there. And then drum roll, on Thursday, it's the VMware Tech Panel. So we're going to be recapping some of the big announcements from VMware World, and I'm going to be hanging out with my good buddies Jacob Moran and Keith Barker over there from CPT Nuggets as well. So very excited about that. I hope you'll come check it out. It's free and open to the public. Just go ahead and take a look for those register links. We'll make sure to get you involved and joined up. Oh, got some squirrels making some noise. We got some birds out here. That's right. We're in the forest this morning, friends. So beyond that, folks, hope you have a great week. Hang in there, study hard, and we'll see you in the cloud.